Hey there, welcome to my channel. I wanted to share a recipe for a citrus multi-cleaner that my mother-in-law inspired me to make. These are some of the products I use to enhance my multi-cleaner. I started by saving and freezing all my citrus peels like oranges, grapefruits, and lemon. I even had some of my friends from work give me some of their citrus peels to use. I then added it all to a large pot. I added 16 cups of water to the pot. I also added some herbs I have planted outside, like rosemary and mint. This is completely optional. I have so much of it, I decided to use it. Boiling the citrus and the herbs together made my little house smell amazing. I'll most likely make another batch in the fall, and I'll add fall spices like cinnamon and clove. Once everything came to a boil, I let it cool the entire day. I got the strainer and started getting all the liquid into a bowl. I eyeballed this part and added the products based on the size of the container. I'd suggest adding about half a cup to a cup of vinegar depending on the container you have. Use whatever soap solution you want. These are my go-tos. I believe my mother-in-law used Fabuloso or pine salt in hers along with vinegar and some type of soap. As you can see, you can make it as natural as you want or not. This is what I feel comfortable using to clean since the kids help me with the cleaning. I try to use products that are safe and won't harm them if they get it on themselves or accidentally ingest it. We use this to clean our table, counters, oven, stovetops, hood, bathroom, and I even added to my mop water. I made 2 batches and boiled the citrus once more, with another 16 cups of water so I can get all I can from it. This is how much I was able to get from the gallon-sized bag of citrus. I'm very happy with it. Let me know if you end up making it. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.